Hope your week's starting off great. Hey, we got 3 more weeks left until we spend some time with the master, Mr. Jim Collins in Chicago. And hopefully you can join us there if you're not already. But, I just wanted to share that last year in this event with him, which was the first time we did it out on Navy Pier in Chicago, it was spectacular. I mean, every event we've ever done with him is amazing because he's the master of building enduring great companies. But even, being in the room and the way that he created, thought-provoking questions and, digging deeper into the flywheel and things like that. So anyway, ourselves and our clients that were there last year had great learning, and it was a very powerful experience. So if you're on the edge thinking about doing it, just know that you'll be thrilled that you did. Ideally, coming as a team is the ideal because you can get the benefit together and then go off like some of our clients are doing and do your own planning or thinking afterwards. Anyway, hopefully you can make it there. If you have any questions about it, it is going to be a spectacular event with the master of, as I said, building enduring great companies in a beautiful city. Hope you can join us there. We'll be there. Have a great day.